Welcome to Milani's Fun with Thermomix. Today we're going to do some cheese and bacon scones. Let's start cooking. Firstly, preheat your oven to 220 degrees. Line a baking tray and set aside. Then it says brown onion. We can't do onion, we fructose, so I'm just going to skip that step and hop straight into the bacon. 200 grams of bacon. Let's just tear the scales and do the bacon. If there's more, we love bacon, so we'll add it all. Get every last bit. 20 grams of oil. So we've got to place the splash guard on top, say done, and cook it for 7 minutes on high heat. Listen to that sizzle, like bacon would sound in a pan. So our bacon's cooked. It is sizzling away. Scrape down the sides and the base of the bowl with a spatula to scrape all that browning. And put back on your lid a measuring cup. Then we're just going to chop it up, speed 4 for 2 seconds. Sometimes the Thermomix won't allow you if the temperature is still too high. Then just wait a second. Let's transfer this into a separate bowl. Set that aside. 450 grams of plain flour or gluten-free flour. Then 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. ,120 grams of unsalted butter, cold and cut into pieces. And next, 140 grams of cheddar. Ten sprigs of fresh chives. We don't do chives. Put your lid back on. And while you're chopping the cheese and the butter up, you sifting the flour and mixing it all together. 4 seconds, speed 8. 250 grams of milk. Let me just tear my scales. Your reserved bacon mixture. Next, put the lid back on and knead it for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds of kneading, our dough has come together nicely. All mixed. Now to transfer the dough onto a silicone bread mat and lightly floured work surface, and we're going to shape them into scones. Our scone dough, flour, a little bit of flour on my work surface. Just going to pop off my blades. All the dough came out nicely. We're just going to push the dough together. Be careful with the blades. Extra bit of flour on my hands. You want it about 1 centimeter thick. And then you can use a scone cutter, a glass. I'm just going to use a plastic cup and cut out my scones. Pop them on your prepared baking tray. Scones like to be close together on your tray. Now we need to brush them with milk. Just going to fold that over. Just brush the top with a bit of milk, or a lot. Then bake for 15 to 20 minutes on 220. So after we've made the bacon and cheese scones, the bowl is really dirty, but it's easy to clean the Thermomix bowl. All we do is pop it back. It'll clean itself. We go to our pre-clean mode. We cover the blades with water. A drop of dishwashing liquid. Actually, before I'm going to do the pre-clean, I'm going to show you another trick. To clean my lid, I'm going to do a turbo quick first. So just going to turbo for 2 seconds. Now my lid will be cleaner. And then I'm going to go to pre-clean and put it on universal. Thermomix cleans itself. So the pre-clean is done. Our lid is clean. Let's just take the brush and go round and do the edges. Got a little bit of browning left on the bottom, but it's loosened, so I'm just quickly going to take it off with a scrubby. Best is to pop your blades out. Check if it's clean under the blade, and then just take the sponge and a few quick movements, because it's all nice and soft. And our bowl is clean. As easy as that. Pre-clean is awesome. Our scones are ready. Ooh. Look how yummy. Let's get a few of these out onto the cooling rack. Can't wait to bite into these. I was a bit over-eager while doing the scones with flattening them down. They should have been a bit thicker, but they still look amazing. Let's taste. Bacon and cheese yumminess. Really should try them.